Up drivers behind the lines. 3, 2, 1, crescendo.
Qualification match 47 officially underway here on Daly. We got 2 notes scored apiece for each of these alliances. 3603 for blue, grabbing one of those middle zone ones and dropping it on in. Red Alliance looking to do the same courtesy of 5460 at the buzzer. It's 36-29 in favor of red. Moving into our teleoperated period, humans are going to take control of the robots. No more minds of their own. 2067 Apple Pie dropping off a note into the Red Alliance amplifier, making their way on over in hopes to be the first Alliance to amplification. They seem to be able to do so. Red Alliance is going to try to extend their lead pretty early on here in this match. 2067 gets one in. Can they get in a second based off that rebound from their Alliance partners? No, they cannot, but they've still got plenty of time to make it worth 2 points instead. Over on the Blue Alliance side of the field, 9480 crashing into their partner, Argon Robotics team of 840. Crashing into the center of the field, but that's okay. They still got plenty of time. Blue Alliance robots heading over to their source in order to grab some sustenance to feed their speaker. 3603 Cyber Coyotes dropping one off to the Blue Alliance speaker. The Blue Alliance is currently amplified, but 2 out of the 3 robots are nowhere to be seen. 840 Argon Robotics team trying to make short work as best they can by themselves. We're 81-49 in favor of the Red Alliance, making our way into our final minute of play. 2067 launches another one into the back of that amplified Red Alliance speaker. A second one goes in for them, and they're going to extend their lead by 40 points. 2067 launching another one up into the air and lining themselves on up as their partners 5460 and 6911 racing on back and forth. 6911 Sobots uninterrupted, making their way back over to the Red Alliance side of the field in order to capitalize on the amplification. Apple Pie gets one in. Sobots gets one in. That's an additional 15 points for this Red Alliance. Blue Alliance looking to do a little bit of catch up as best they can. They're dropping some notes off into the amp in hopes that amplification can extend their lead a little bit further. That sound means it's time for our final 20 seconds. That guitar riff means it's time for our end game. Teams are going to shift their focus over towards the stage. 5460 seems like they're lining themselves up to drop off a note in the trap. Doing a little bit of a pull-up. They're going to push it on in, and down it goes. 5460 gets the trap right at the last minute, and their partners Apple Pie joining them up on the chain. Alliance taking that win with a score of 139-78. Red Alliance walking home with 4 ranking points yet again. Match after match here on the Daly division, very competitive. Everybody scoring all of those points and getting all of their climbs. Blue Alliance still